All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. Go to Meow, M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is this weird Acecook Super Cup 1.5x size mega monster noodle with it's a spicy pork kimchi, and it is got Chainsaw Man on it, and I know nothing about Chainsaw Man. So let's put this sucker together. It takes 500 mils of water, which is pretty big. That's a lot for a bowl. There's our that. There's our this. Come on. A lot of powder there, folks. And then here's our noodle block, our bits, and our 3 minutes. So how's it going? I am beat. I've been sick. I'm not happy about that, and I'm done being sick. I'm really sick of being sick. Let me just put it that way. So, yeah. Today is going to be kind of a combo episode of the show, because not only am I reviewing this, I'm going to be trying out a new chili crisp, which actually is made in Seattle, Washington by a company called Kari Kari, K-A-R-I-K-A-R-I. This is it. And there'll be a point where I'm like, not only doing this review, but it'll be the other half of the video for an unboxing. Got it? So, should be interesting. So we had something weird happen here, and it's kind of a testament to, if your product is crummy, then it's crummy, and there's really not much you can do about it. So a guy, I guess, running as a Republican in the state of Washington, rarely ever happens you end up with a Republican as governor. But there's a governor's race, because Jay Inslee, the guy who's been our governor, is just like, I am done with the crazy people here. And so, yeah, there's a Republican running against him. And what he did, I think it was a Republican that did it, or it was a super PAC that did it, or something. But they went out. The guy who's running for governor is the current attorney general, a guy named Bob Ferguson. It wouldn't be the first time we had a governor that was the former attorney general. Anyways, so Bob Ferguson throws his hat in the ring. Well, this other guy decided to find 2 other Bob Fergusons to run as Democrats, and make it so there would be a confusion and less chance that the right Bob Ferguson, that's actually really gives a crap about running, would get votes. Isn't that sleazy? I mean, come on. Why can't you just go and do the right thing and basically just, I'm running for office, here's where I'm at, I think I'm a better candidate, I'm going to go do a debate, I'm going to put out my points. No, this guy goes and tries to be sneaky, and it's not even sneaky, it's so overt that the attorney, because he's still the attorney general, he was going to do a lawsuit against him by the state, because there is a line in the election laws here specifically for doing that. It's crazy. But that's desperation. It's like, come on, why don't you give people what they want? They don't want that. I'm pretty darn sure people don't want to be try to get screwed into getting another guy elected that they're not voting for. I think that's pretty sleazy. So, anyways, enough of that. Here is what we got here. And this is a lot of noodles for a bowl. But it sounds good. Cheers. Kimchi pork. Yep. The slices of kimchi hydrated well. They look nice. Does it blow my head off spicy? No. Is it respectably spicy? Sure. It says spicy, and it is, and it's got a spicy element to it. My mouth is burning a little bit. It's good. I like this one. Okay. So let's put this together. And then I'm going to take the pictures, and then I'm going to do the... No, wait. I'm going to put it together, and then I'm going to add that chili crisp. This is going to be tricky. I know what I'll do. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Comb over. Comb over. See, I don't like doing a comb over personally. That's why I shave my head. Yep, I had a big old bald patch on the back of my head, and I always thought it was cool to be bald, so what did I do? I sealed the deal. I finished her up. Ate some eggs this morning. Ooh, I'm gonna have to use these in today and tomorrow, or these eggs are gonna be way too dark. Okay, you stay right there. There's our eggs. I wanted to have at least some kind of barbecue pork for this, so I go to the store earlier while the dishwasher was going, and I'm like, yeah, I need this, and by the way, can you also slice me up some of that, like, you know, Chinese barbecue pork? I need them in this size. Oh, well, what happens is we have that pork delivered here, and then we don't slice it here. What we do is we take it into the chopping block in the back. Oh, that'll work. We take it to the chopping block in the back, and then we hand cut it. I'm like, oh, so you do slice it here. You just don't slice it for the average Joe, whatever. I really don't feel like so I didn't even bother debating that, but it was kind of stupid. All right, so I'm gonna go like whammo, and then we're gonna start this aspect of the thing. So here is the kari stuff, and we're going to give it a try. I'm going to add it in. I'm going to use a special spoon as well here in the Utility Muffin Research Kitchen. Now it mentions from the jar that you need to stir it from the bottom. So that is exactly what I portend to do. I've got my magical spoon that was sent to me from England by the Reverend Dick Gazinia. How's it going, man? So I'm putting it down. Oh yeah, there's like tons of love sludge at the bottom. So we're giving it a nice stir. Wow, look at that. Oh, that sounds good. It looks good. Give it a decent amount of that to try out. Oh my. Okay. So we'll do the rotato action, then I'll come back after I take my pictures. We'll do a little rotato. I'm going to take pictures, and then I'm going to try this this love sludgy stuff, because that tiny little bit of lick on the spoon was quite good. Alright. So, just give me a moment. You can look at my devices. Actually, I need this one. Sorry. Alright, I'm back. See how easy that was, folks? You can feel and rest assured that was easy. So, there we are. And there we are. So let's give this a try. I'm like really curious about it. I've been a fan of Laogan Ma since I first tried it. This looks to be a horse of a different color. Here's how it looks. Cheers. It's crispy. And it's definitely got the gumminess of the, it's hard to explain, a little gumminess from the garlic. It's good. I would portend to say that, yeah, it's definitely got a freshness than the Laogan Ma, which is like really massively produced. This definitely has a little bit more of a mellowness to it. Oh yeah. I can say I recommend that. Get some. Where do you get it? It says stir from the bottom all over it. Oh, I put the little sticker. Oh, it's hard to read. It's tiny. Curry Curry Foods LLC. I know it's got a website. I'll include the website. And, yeah. But yeah, this right here, you really should try this. This is kind of like, it's good. Crunchy, garlicky. It does have a decent heat to it too. I can definitely suss that out apart from the broth I just had. But yeah, that's good. So, recommended. I'll probably use it on the next one that I do too, which is this Myojo. Thank you to Taku-san for sending this over. This is Myojo USA's hot and spicy udon. As you can see now, it's in a bowl. It's microwavable. Should be good. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.